Okay, today we're gonna prove a myth incorrect. We got Jose Martinez, aka Cabezon, aka Gordo, aka Big Donkey, is gonna try to prove us wrong. We got Chino,
aka Baloo.
It's his refrigerator, aka Baloo, aka Chino, aka.
If you fart, it's yours.
We're gonna see how true the myth is about once you get in a refrigerator you can't get out because of the suction.
And it's on. The seal looks pretty tight.
The seal's tight.
This is a pretty good refrigerator.
I just want to let everybody know that if he doesn't get out, we're not opening the door.
Do you hold this candle before anything's about to happen, sir?
As long as I'm good and get out, they're not responsible.
I ain't got nothing to do with it. On inside. Go, Nick.
All right, let's do it. See you on the other side, brother.
Hi.
Tell us that the light turns off, fool. Try to open it.
No, look, nigga, don't get scared. Open it. It's bullshit.
It is bullshit.
Try it again. Are you letting it close?
Yeah.
Let's try it. Open it. You can't open it? Shut the fuck up.
Alright, we're going to bed, fool.
Now put my shit back in.
It is bullshit.
Bullshit.
I bet you try it.
Hell no. Really, nigga? Look, my meat don't even fit.
Go and get on sideways, fool.
Nigga, put my shit. Clean my damn refrigerator.
It is bullshit. And we're calling bullshit on this one.
Bullshit.
Jose, get in the freezer and see if it works, fool.
In the deep freezer.
Get in the deep
Hey, you
freezer.
think that's what they meant? Here, let's try this side. You're that skinny, bitch.
Alright, well, we're calling bullshit on this one. Thanks and peace out, hoes.